In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar event using Google Calendar. Whether you're organizing a meeting, planning a social event, or simply trying to stay on top of your schedule, Google Calendar is a powerful tool to help keep everything organized. Let's dive right in and explore how you can set up an event in just a few simple steps. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. Once you're there, locate the Google Apps icon, which is typically represented by a small grid or cluster of dots in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu featuring a variety of Google applications. Among those options, you'll find the Google Calendar. Give it a click and it will open in a new tab or window, bringing you directly to your personal calendar view. Now that your calendar is open, it's time to create a new event. Look towards the upper left corner for a button labeled Create. Clicking on this will prompt a new window to appear, offering you several options for event types. Since we're focusing on a standard calendar event today, go ahead and select Event from the available choices. With the event window open, it's time to give your event a title. This could be the name of the meeting, the event's occasion, or anything that succinctly describes what your event is about. Just type directly into the field provided. This title will be what appears on your calendar, so make sure it's something that clearly conveys the purpose or nature of your event. Next, you'll want to input the important details of your event, particularly the date and time it will occur. There are designated fields where you can specify both when the event starts and when it ends. Be careful to double-check these entries to ensure they accurately reflect your intended schedule. This ensures that you, as well as anyone else you may invite, can plan accordingly. One of the great features of Google Calendar is the ability to add Google Meet video conferencing to your event. If you intend to hold the meeting virtually, all you need to do is click on the Add Google Meet video conferencing button. Google will automatically generate a unique video conferencing link for your event, making it easy to connect with others seamlessly. Once you're satisfied with all your event details, you've got the title, the correct date and time, and if necessary, the video conferencing link. Simply click Save. By doing this, your newly created event will be added to your calendar, becoming visible to you and, if you've shared it, to your invitees. And there you have it. You've successfully created an event in Google Calendar. You're now equipped to manage your time more effectively and ensure you don't miss out on any important commitments. Thanks for joining me in this guide, and happy scheduling.